Hi guys, my name is Liza and I welcome you to my channel. Do share, like and subscribe and don't forget to leave a comment below. In this video, I will be telling you about what is a zero FIR. I guess we are all aware about the Nirbhaya's case that led to many amendments in our existing legal system, and zero FIR is one of them. Why is it important? Because this provision has led to the ability to file an FIR from anywhere and was quite a stepping stone in legal history. But as we all know, people are not that aware about this right. So I thought to make this video more informative and hope this helps you so that whenever you fall into any such unfortunate circumstance, you know what to do, exactly where to go and how will that help you. Zero FIR is one such provision which might help the victim to appeal for investigation without wasting any time. We've often seen the victims are denied to right to file an FIR by police authorities because the area, the crime that has took place does not fall under their jurisdiction. However, you will be glad to know that this provision of law was introduced in the recommendation of Justice Verma Committee in the Legal Criminal Law Amendment Act 2013 after the horrific Delhi rape case that we all aware about, the Nirbhaya's case. Before that, we really need to understand what an FIR is. FIR means, if not, FIR is a first information report. It is the first information in point of time regarding the commission of any offence, any cognizable offence that is given to the police and is recorded in the CRPC. It is generally a complaint lodged by the police by a victim of a cognizable offence or by any person on his or her behalf. The provision of zero FIR came up as a recommendation in the Justice Verma Committee report, like a new Criminal Amendment Act in 2013 after the heinous Nirbhaya case of December 2012. What you need to know is a FIR can be filed at any police station, irrespective of place of crime and area of jurisdiction. This provision is for everyone. When in trouble, men and women will be benefited equally. I again emphasize, benefited equally when in trouble by men or by women. So in zero FIR, any station will be bound to register an FIR irrespective of jurisdictional area, but the investigation will be taken up by the police in place of occurrence reported in the FIR. The police station registers the zero FIR, making it as a serial number 0. Why is it 0? Because then they are going to transfer it to respective jurisdictional area which can carry out the investigation. So the sanctity of the legal process remains same in zero FIR. So it is really helpful for people as it facilitates them and takes away the inconvenience of searching for the right police station for launching the FIR when they have been a victim of a crime. And a zero FIR can be filed in any police station by the victim irrespective of their residence or the place of the crime. So whenever a person is a victim, can go to the nearest police station and can file an FIR so that we do not waste any time on searching a police station of their jurisdiction. What is more shocking is that the police officers denies to acknowledge a zero FIR and also tries to convince the victim and his or her family to approach the concerned police station for registering an FIR, rather trying to help them. And many of us do not know about this, but according to the section 166A of the Indian Penal Code, whenever a police officer refuses to register an FIR relating to a certain offence against a woman such as rape, molestation, etc., can be punished with imprisonment for a term which may extend to up to 1 year or even with a fine or with both. So a constitutional bench of Supreme Court in Lalita Kumari versus Government of UP and others has issued the following guidance, which is the registration of FIR is mandatory under section 154 of CRPC if the information discloses commission of any cognizable offence. The police officer cannot avoid his duty of registering offence if cognizable offence is disclosed. And the third, but the very important, is action must be taken against erring officer who do not register the FIR or denies to register the FIR if the information received by him discloses a cognizable offence as per Act 2013. So I'm also going to tell you how to file a zero FIR. What are the checklists which you need to keep in mind? So the checklist goes like, number 1, the statement will be recorded by the police officer in writing. And number 2, all details without any speculation or assumption should be provided to the police during the statement. Third, make the statement official by signing the register with the date and your full name. And fourth, get a copy of your complaint and ask for the identification number or roll if not provided. Crimes like murder, rape and incidents requires immediate action from the concerned police station authorities so that they take appropriate samples, eyewitnesses and other circumstantial evidences and details. I will tell you why the zero FIR is needed. Approximately, if we are not aware, approximately 93 cases of rapes are reported every day. Provisions like zero FIR are essential to bring out the process of justice in a very efficient fashion. Many cases, as we all know, go unsolved because of the lack of evidence, which are lost because of wastage of time. Crimes like murder, rape, incidents, accidents require immediate actions from the concerned police authorities so that they take appropriate samples, eyewitnesses and other circumstantial details within a time frame. And the zero FIR is a great asset when you are traveling and unfortunately become a victim of any of a cognizable crime. So it was introduced in order to avoid the delay in filing the crime that adversely impacts the victim. Do not let any officer tell you which type of offence should be reported and which not. They might tell you that once an FIR is filed, it will not be taken back and it will result in a long-term procedure which might stop you or give you a dilemma that what should be done, even should I register it. But please do register any such cognizable offence which you have come across or you have been a victim to. And I hope the justice will be at your doorstep. Sooner or later it will. So the zero FIR looks like a great concept in seeking any way of crime justice in a preliminary stage and finding the truth. I hope this helps in proper accountability and transparency in the system and will help fight crimes against women efficiently. And of course, tell me about the common legal troubles that you face in day-to-day life. Thank you guys for watching. Till then, do take good care of yourself. See you in the next video very soon. Bye.